Today we are back with one more fun experiment, and today we are going to do experiment with milk. Can you see? This is a white milk, and with this we will do milk explosion. So let's see what things we require. We need milk, soap, and these are food colors, green and orange. We need a bowl with water, a dropper. You can do the experiment with these two. You can use this also and you can use this also. And we need a cloth to make our place clean. So let's get started. First we will take the milk and then we will pour it in a plate. You can see milk is in the plate. Now you will take the dropper, and this is, you can take the orange color. You can add some more. Right? And then you will clean this thing here. Now with this clean dropper, you will take the green color and add it here. One more time. Now it is done. We will keep the dropper in this. Now you can choose this also and you can choose the cotton. Now I'll choose the cotton. I'll dip it in the soap. This is for hand wash, right? Take this much amount and then see what's going to be here. So can you see the milk explosion? This is tricolor milk explosion. Go ahead and enjoy this.